Hello everyone, and thank you for your patience first of all. Welcome to Housing Mega Home Utsav 2020, and my name is Kunal Sikri, and I will be your host for today's session. So first of all, welcome you all and a happy Diwali. So today we are here to talk about a property, and before we actually begin with that, we have to understand, all understand that buying a house is a very tedious process. It takes lots of efforts, lots of findings, lots of I would say brainstorming at your end to reach that dream house of yours. So we at Housing believe in guiding you and helping you in that journey of yours through the AR and VR technologies that we have on board with us. We are one of the most technologically advanced real estate firm in India, real estate advertisers. We have lots of technologies that we use to actually showcase the houses, and you can experience the houses sitting at the comfort of your house. You don't have to move out. You can sit and you can relax, and then we'll help you in getting the best houses you can buy from one of the best builders, best developers across India. So we also understand due to this pandemic, it has become a very tedious task to actually move out, move around. So that is the reason we have very innovative solutions through which you can experience the properties sitting at the comfort of your houses. Now we have a very beautiful property located in Greater Kailash 1 in Delhi. And we have Mr. Karan from findahouse.in today with us, who will be talking about that property with us. So before we proceed any further, I would like to first of all ask Mr. Karan to switch on his camera. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, good morning. Wish you a very happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So before we actually start with the whole property exercise and we actually delve into the details of the nitty-gritties of the property, I would first of all like to understand the area around that. Greater Kailash in itself is a very, I would say, prominent name in
Right.
the ecosystem, which is Delhi. So if we just talk about the Greater Kailash and the surrounding areas and what is nearby, the metros, the schools, the hospitals. So if you can just brief us about that.
If you're talking about metro is somewhere around 1 kilometer. It's a walking distance only. And M Block Market GK1, it's nearby only. Yeah. And the location of the property is itself a very beautiful location. It's
Great,
facing green belt. Yeah. And
great.
and the dimensions of the property is the room size of the property is very good.
So if we talk about schools वगैरह कहाँ पर हमारे, how far are the schools from and which schools are there nearby?
Nearby, there are 5-6 schools is nearby. Bluebell schools, what do we call Frank Anthony School. It's nearby only. Yeah,
Great.
it's hardly 500 meters.
Hardly 5 kilometers. So that is very reasonable. And I would say getting a house nearby good schools in Delhi itself is a task.
Right.
So any parent in Delhi would understand that it's a very tedious task to actually buy a house nearby a good school.
Right.
So that is again a very plus point for us. And so if we talk about the markets, GK M Block, as you're telling us, so it's very
It's a
near,
very prominent markets are in South Delhi. It's the heart of South Delhi.
right?
You can say, yeah.
Great, great. So before we actually go any further, I would like to first of all showcase the property that we have with us today. So I'll just share my screen. So Evelisa, this is the main entrance of the property. This is the parking area. Right, sir?
We have the exclusive gate parking. Exclusive parking for.
Okay. And sir, what is the plot size of this property?
8 square yards.
So how many square yards?
208.
208. Okay,
Yeah.
great, great, great.
The standard dimensions of GK1.
So we have a lift. This is of the first floor that we have.
Yeah. This first floor.
So as you can see, this is a living room which has been done beautifully. You have the false ceiling, you have the fans, lightings, and everything. So even the ACs are installed, I believe, right, sir?
Yeah. This size of the drawing room is 12 by 22. The exact dimensions.
Okay.
The lounge is separate.
Okay. We have this huge balcony alongside as well.
Huge balcony. It's facing green belt.
Okay.
You'll see peacocks in early morning.
Right. And getting greenery in Delhi is something of a dream for most of the people anyways.
Exactly. You hardly get in South Delhi, this type of location.
Exactly.
Talking about the room size is also good.
Okay. So I believe, sir, this is the first bedroom that we have.
Yeah. Want me to share the dimension of the room size?
Please, sir, please.
Yeah. The first room is 12 by 13.
So 12 by 13, and the cupboards are already installed over there as well.
Attached washroom is there. The attached washroom.
Okay. So we can see the quality of work is also very good.
Yeah, built by one of the best developers.
So I believe, sir, this is a washroom that is attached with this.
Yes.
No, sir, I believe we have the, so it's a fully modular kitchen with the chimney hob and everything installed over there.
Yes. Size of the kitchen is 8 by 11.
Okay. And you have a space for fridge as well. So,
Yeah, fridge as well.
and I believe there's a glass door partition alongside.
Yeah. We have automatic system as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so I believe the flooring is all Italian marble.
All Italian, sir. All Italian. Even in washrooms also.
Even in washrooms as well. Great. So this is a separate dining area we were talking about, right, sir?
Yeah.
So as we can see, everywhere the ACs are installed and everything is there. This is the second bedroom.
There's a shaft.
Yes, sir. There is a shaft, I believe, alongside this.
This is also good size. You can make it as a, you can cover this with the artificial planters.
Yes, even a vertical gardening can be done in this area as of now, I believe.
Yes. And 2 rooms at the back with attached washroom.
And I believe all the rooms are coming with an attached washroom. So the cupboards, the false ceilings, lightings, everything is done. Even the glass partitions, glass enclosures are created in the bathrooms. And it's all Italian marble, right?
XMH. This is a back balcony.
So this can be used where the washing machine and everything can be installed.
Yeah.
So, sir, how many parkings are we getting with each floor over here?
There's 2 car parking inside.
2 car parking.
Yeah, we have a separate gate. You can see that the middle gate, it belongs to the first floor.
Okay.
Yeah.
With
We have a separate gate, yeah.
the Centro is parked, the white car.
Yeah, next to this.
Next to this. Okay.
Separate gate. So the location.
So dedicated parking slot is also available for 2 car parks.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the whole locality and the area around is very beautiful.
There's ample of parking for the visitors.
Yes. The people can simply park on the ramp as well. So there is enough parking.
Yeah, there's enough parking.
Great, great, great. So, sir, if we talk about, let's talk about the property now. Just so, sir, how many floors are available with us right now in this?
In this building, only first floor is available.
Only first floor is left.
Yeah.
So, sir, any specific maintenance charges or something which is levied? So, for any guard or something which is there?
As of now, matlab guard is not there, but lift charges is there.
Right.
For first year, it's free.
Mm-hmm.
After that, you have to pay. Matlab, it's somewhere around 50,000 a year, divided by 4 floors.
Great.
50 or 60, yeah.
So it would be somewhere around 12,000-13,000.
12,000 a year.
Perfect, perfect. So that is a reasonable amount because you're maintaining a lift and everything. So that is something which is required.
Seven quarter is there in this set area.
Wow,
Already
sir,
seven
okay.
quarter, 7 quarter.
7 quarters are also there.
Yeah.
Great. So it's a 3-bedroom with 3 washrooms. Then we have a living area. Then we have a separate dining area as well.
Yes.
And kitchen, as you saw, was fully, I would say, fully functional kitchen. So you have a chimney, you have a hob, the sink, and every modular kitchen is there. And even in the rooms, we saw the ACs were all the rooms were having AC, even the living room and the dining room. Great. So, sir, what do we call basically the stamp duty of this property, if we talk about?
Sir, it's 5, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay.
4, 5, and 6%.
4,
For the
5, and
women,
6%.
it's 4%. For the joint, it's 5%. And for the individual, it's 6%. Plus 1% registration fees.
Plus 1% registration fees.
Registration fees, yeah.
Great, great, great. And parking, we are anyways providing 2 parking. So if someone wants to get a loan on this property, they will be eligible for the loan?
Easily from any bank. From
Easily
any
from
nationalized bank, any private bank.
So how much loan they can easily get for this?
2.5 easily get.
2.5 they can easily get.
Between 2 to 2.5.
Great. So if anyone has any question related to the property, they can please ask. You have a chat column at the bottom, so you can enter your questions if you have any question related to the property. So they have a question if there is any clarity on the built up or the carpet area of this.
It's a carpet, it's somewhere around 1,500 square feet.
1,500 square feet. So that is a good amount for a 3-bedroom. So it's a spacious size.
Yes.
Great. And we are providing the ACs, we are providing these electrical fittings, we are providing a fully functional kitchen, and all the washrooms are ready to use. So I believe just the movable furniture has to be bought, and you can simply shift onto the property. And so if someone wants to buy the property right now and they want to, let's say, shift maybe in a week, so that is possible?
That is possible.
That is possible.
Yeah, the property is ready to use.
Okay. So any special offers that we have due to this pandemic? So anything we have for our customers? It's Diwali tomorrow.
Already the price हमने कम रखा हुआ है. यही special offer है दिवाली का. Already nowadays क्योंकि builders are asking for 4.25.
Okay.
Yeah. अगर आप सर last 2 months का डाटा उठा के देखोगे, मतलब गुड़गांव, दिल्ली, नोएडा का सबसे ज्यादा ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है after this lockdown.
Right. Because the people who are not willing to buy a house at that time,
right.
They all are buying houses because they understand the need of it now.
Exactly. The people who stays on rent, उनको भी लगा है why to pay rent rather than EMI. हम EMI pay करेंगे.
That is a better way.
Right.
Great. So, sir, just last question from my side. So, any other property that we have in the surrounding areas? When someone wants to buy a bigger or a smaller house as well?
Yeah, we have a couple of options.
Okay. So, what is the price range that starts from? Which price range that we have and goes up till where?
Big size or the bigger size?
Smaller and bigger both.
The standard size is 208 in GK. After that, it comes 300 square yards.
Okay.
So the price of 300 square yards is somewhere around 5 CR.
5 CR.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. And so they are in the same condition. They are also fully furnished and everything. The amenities and everything will remain same for them as well.
Yeah.
Great. So thank you, Mr. Karan, for joining us today. It was beautiful having you, and a happy Diwali once again to you and all our customers as well. So I'll just showcase Mr. Karan's number. So if someone wants to contact him, you can get in touch with him directly as well. So it's 9811086626. And his email ID is karandhawan3@gmail.com. So if you have any questions, anything you want to ask, you can simply contact him, or you can drop in your queries at the project link that is given at the bottom. So sir, anything you like to add now to this?
Yeah. Thank you. This is all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So thank you everyone for joining us today, and it was wonderful having you. May you get your dream house very soon, and we are able to support you in this journey of yours. Have a safe Diwali and happy Diwali once again. Thank you. Thank you, sir.